Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and today we're doing some more etch art or scratch art, but it is, as you can tell, St. Patrick's Day themed. Now let's go ahead and open this up. Got this from my Dollar Tree. Came with sticks, and it came with many clovers. How many? Came with 10. I don't know if we're gonna be doing 10 today, but oh, there's like a streak across all of them. That's interesting. They have, I think they all have a rainbow background, like this picture here. So, let's go ahead and see what we can make with these clovers. There's a lot of green. For this first one, I want to copy the design on here just to see how this is gonna work, if it works. Okay, alright. We've had dollar store etch art before, but they were stickers, I think. Was that dollar store? I don't know. I think it was. Well, this one's red and orange on this side compared to the picture. Doing the edge is like hard. I don't want to accidentally scratch my nice background here. I am disappointed they all have like the streak in them now. Gonna have to incorporate that into the design somehow, I think, in some of them. So I'm just gonna go around and roughly kind of do an outer line here for how thick I want the outline to be. This one is like coming up a lot nicer than the previous one we've had. I know there's a shine happening here, but that's purple on the bottom. Okay, now I'm gonna go and scratch away all the extras. Alright, so the edges are all done. Now to do this heart thing. Uh-oh. Make mine a little different and have a center point marked. Well, that's not a good heart. Mine are actually gonna be touching. And this one, they're all spaced out like... I'm like, I have no confidence in being able to do that. Man, it looks like trash right now. Go ahead and thicken it up. Alright, so I think we have an idea of how this is gonna work out. I wonder if the rainbow is exactly the same position on all of them or not, because in this picture here, there's like a magenta color, and also the colors are like flipped, I guess. I don't know, I guess we'll see when we start to scratch more off. Okay, for this next one, I want to try... we need a center point again. Did that carve off? Is it green there? I don't know. I'm kind of like trying to just put a dent right now. Yeah, that looks all right. Okay, so for this next one, I think I'm going for a, like, not realistic, but like a realistic. I don't know what I'm going for. I don't know how to describe it. And it looks like the gradient is exactly the same as the first one. So here's my veiny leafy one. I'm not that happy with it. Oh well. We have a bazillion more we can work with. What to do with this next one here? Why don't we try some Celtic ribbons? Or Celtic, I don't know how it's said. I wonder if I could use pencil to kind of help me. Oh yeah, it does write on this really nice. But does it erase? This eraser is trash. Let's see if it'll erase. Kinda. Now I'm beginning to doubt if I should even use pencil. Alright, I sketched out a design that's kind of Celtic-ish. Let's see how it goes. Alright, now I'm gonna thicken everything up. Alright, I think this one came out pretty cute. Let's see if we can figure out a design for another one. Alright, what if we did something a little bit not typical? Thinking outside of the box. Can you see what it is? Huh? Huh? How? I don't know what just happened. I'm trying to treat this as a center eye and not a one eye or the other type of deal, like Cyclops. I'm trying to make the tips even. So it's very boring with the two colors in the center here. I feel like this one's in a different orientation than these ones. Maybe it's not, I don't know. But I want more colors to be happening here. Well, that looks very appropriate. Ho ho ho. I'm an adult. Know how to be an adult about things and stuff. I feel like there could be more. Well, this is the best I got for this one. I am disappointed the eye is so, like, light, I guess. That's only, like, yellow and green and the lighter blue shade. It's cool. I do like this one the best so far, though. Alright, for this next one, I think I'm gonna try to do a mandala-ish type deal. And I hope this is the center. I'm not good at mandalas, like making them, so forgive me in advance, please. Starting off with a flower, I suppose. I usually do, right? I bet they are not gonna line up with the leaves nice either. Oh no. Have I made a mistake? Maybe, maybe. Oh, that one's not saying anything. Well, that's where everything went wrong. Alright, let's keep at it, I guess. Oh no. I knew this would happen. I have never ever been good at doing mandalas before. So I am not surprised. That looks a little bit like a dream catcher right now. That's cool, that's cool. Like, I'm not really sure what I'm doing anymore. I apparently didn't do one of those things here. No wonder I'm so lost. Well, I don't think it's terrible, but it's definitely not perfect. Let me know which one was your favorite. I think the eye was my favorite. Mandala one's okay, but I think it's the eye, and then this one's like second for me. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more etch art content, go ahead and check out this video here. And if you just want to see something creative, go ahead and check out the video here. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTubey things of comment, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!